You think you know me.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we got a new product from Kemimoto we're going to install on one of my bikes today. This is a product that you can use probably on any bike with the smaller foot pegs. Let's show you what's in the box. First of all, it comes with the only tool you're going to need to install it, this Allen wrench, and of course the instructions. And it also comes with these two passenger foot pegs, but I'm actually going to install them a little bit different than what they're supposed to be today. These are actually an extension, and what they're designed to do, say like on your dual sport or whatever type of bike you have with this certain type of foot peg for the driver, these would clip on here and your passenger would put their feet on the back part. I'm going to do something a little different today. Of course, you get two of these from Kemimoto. They're CNC made. They're made out of aluminum. They're powder coated black. One tool is all it takes to install these, of course, one for each side. But I'm going to do something a little different than what they're designed to do. I'm actually going to use them as an extension on my foot. All right, folks, I'm going to be installing this on my old Suzuki. You could use this on your dual sport, whatever type of bike that has this type of foot peg on it. Kemimoto also makes these. What they're designed to do, if I end up switching this out to that style of pedal later on, I can actually clip these on here like so. This is what they're designed to do. And then now you have a foot peg and your passenger also has a foot peg on there as well. My idea, I'm going to do it a little different. I'm actually going to use it, since I have really big feet, as an extension to the floorboards like this. That way it's almost like having regular floorboards and not just having the regular pegs up there. All right, folks, basically all you do to install this, you use the included Allen wrench, and these just loosen right up like so. And then you're going to loosen them up enough to install them. All right, I tried to get you the best angle I could to show you from the top. But basically, you loosen this up enough to slide over the top of the feet. And then you just set this wherever you want it. Say you want it more on the inside or outside for grip. I'm going to do it on more of the outside. That way I can rest my feet this way. Or if you wanted to, per se, you want to have your feet a little bit higher up, you could do them this way. This wasn't the initial design for this, but this is the type of pedal you would use it on. I'm going to do it like this just to start off, and then that's it. This part here just sits down inside there like so, and then you're just going to adjust it with this until it's tight enough to put on there. That's how I have them installed right now on both sides. Since this bike's so small and the controls are so close together, I'm probably definitely going to move them to the opposite direction. But you can see my idea is to use them like a footboard instead of a regular like passenger extension like they were designed to do. All right, folks, that's probably how I'm going to use them. Is it pretty? No. Do I care on this bike? Honestly, no. But you can see with my big ass feet, now I got a good spot to put my feet when I'm cruising on this old Suzuki. This side and this side allows me to stretch out. All right, folks, there you have it. Thanks for tuning in. This is the Kemimoto passenger foot peg extension, designed for basically a dual sport bike. I'm using this on my Rat Suzuki bike that I'm bringing back to life after 13 years of not being on the road. Maybe ugly, but again, this is going to be a rat bike. This will be great if you need passenger pegs on another type of bike though, or like I did for my big ass feet, making bigger floorboards. Thanks for tuning in. I got another Kemimoto video coming out real soon. Check out my Kemimoto video for this vest as well. I've been using this for about 2 years now. Suzuki video will be coming out soon. Bye for now.